Is this the best burger in town, as voted by some guy who loves burger? Let's find out and let our taste bud hunt for the next best burger. And here it is, the next best burger stall, Mike's Burger Grill Chillop, located at Section 14, Jalan 14/48, opens from 6 to 12 p.m. and is best known for their Kangkong Sambal Belacan burger. Yes indeed, there is actually a Kangkong Sambal Belacan in the menu. Without thinking twice, we ordered the Kangkong Sambal Belacan beef burger and give our taste bud a challenge. As you can see, the patty is freshly prepared and cooked to order. Not to mention, the caramelized onion sauce is also cooked on the spot. Here comes a handful of fresh kangkong, topped with onions, slice of pineapple, and last but not least, the beef patty is dipped into the ultimate home recipe of spicy belacan sauce for a kick. Look at the amount of belacan sauce. It's dripping hot. And here is our verdict. The burger can be a little pricey, as such I am giving it 2 stars. But don't get me wrong, for the amount of ingredients and condiments they put in the bun, it's worth the price you pay. As for the patty, it is fresh and well seasoned, so I'm giving 3 stars for it. And lastly, the condiments. It is so unique. I'm not sure who else is putting Sambal Belacan sauce into burgers besides Mike's. So I'm giving it a 3 out of 3 stars rating for this. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more interesting video clips.